Hey everybody, so I'm here. I wanted to kind of just send a quick video out to you all because I'm trying to develop a new lamp. And you might have seen it or you might not, but this is it. This is my prototype. This is my wooden crane lamp. And it really encompasses two of my favorite things, lighting and woodworking. So I tend to do a lot of reading. I tend to do it in the living room. Mostly while the TV's on, while other people are there, and having the overhead lights is a little bit harsh. So we had an old metal lamp there. It was nothing to look at. It fell apart. It was really rinkety-dinkety. And I thought to myself, well, I need a new lamp. And like I do, I said, well, let me build a lamp. So I really started to think about what I wanted in a lamp. And I thought that a lamp doesn't have to be ugly. A lamp can be a statement. It can be, well, it can be a piece of art in your living room, and that's the concept and what I had in mind when I wanted to create this wooden crane lamp. And it's made out of one piece of wood. The prototype's got a couple of notches in it, as I really wanted this curve to kind of elegantly go up and forward, but the least amount of foot profile. I mean, this will slide underneath the table or underneath your chair, and the head is adjustable because we're not all the same height. So I wanted that to be able to adjust up and down depending upon your height. And as you're sitting here and as you're reading, you get the light where you want it, and it's on your paper or it's on your iPad and not being in your eyes. So this is the prototype, and now I've got to develop it. I got to develop it so that I can that I can ship them and make them available to you. And what I would normally do is I would take my time as money came in, as things happened in between projects, I would work on it. But I've got a lot of response from my initial video on this, wondering when it's going to be out. So I've decided to take my prototyping process to the next level. And now I almost want to kickstart it. I want you all to buy my prototypes. And I'll ship them out to you. They'll all be signed. And you'll get a little workup of how each one differs. And so I really want this price point to be something that's affordable, and I think the more I work on it, the more efficient I get at the process, and the better it becomes. So if you want to join me, if you really are looking for a lamp, go over to my website, go over to my page, see what this is all about. Take a closer look at this piece because it really is, as I said, I wanted something that stood out and didn't just have to be practical, but also good to look at. And I think that that's what this is. And I'm going to sell a bunch of different varieties, different colors, all in all the usual stain work that I normally do. And I want to bring you along that process. So jump on over, help me out, and well, invest in me, and not just me, but in yourself, because out of that you're going to get a great lamp, and I'll ship it to you, or you can come pick it up for free. And well, I always save the best for last, because lamp just doesn't have to be for reading. A lamp can also be an accent piece, and so this one has got two different components to it. So you can have it for reading, or you can have it as just sort of an accent light in the room. So that was it. That's what I wanted to update you on. I want to do a little promotion for it, and I really wanted to well, have you come down this journey of design and engineering with me. So if you like, come on over and well, let's build something together, okay?